All right, so we are about to write down some answers for the question that said, what can you make using pumpkins? So if you have your book in front of you, you should have the book all about pumpkins and it should have been in your packet, right? I want you to turn to the very last page, okay? The very last page, and it looks something like this. Yours is just a little smaller. I'm going to read this. It says pumpkins can be used to make. Okay, so this page is all about what you can make using pumpkins. Okay, so we're going to use this page to answer our question. What can you make using pumpkins? So pumpkins can be used to make breads, say breads, soups, bakery treats, and even coffee. All right, so what was the first thing that it said we can make using a pumpkin? The first thing was breads. Okay, so right here on the board, I have already written numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. So our first answer is breads. So right here, I'm going to write bread. All right. Now, so we have breads. What's next? Soups. Okay. So I've already written bread. Now, by the number 2, our second thing, I'm going to write soup. Okay. So bread, soup. What's next? Bakery treats. Okay, I want to be a little more specific. Okay, I don't want to just say bakery treats because that can involve a lot of things. So let's look up at the pictures right here. And right here, I see a bakery treat right there. Can anybody tell me what kind of treat that is? That is pumpkin pie. So right here for our third answer, I'm going to write pumpkin pie. Okay, so pumpkin pie. All right, there we go, pumpkin pie. All right, so it says breads, soups, bakery treats, which we wrote pumpkin pie to be more specific, and even coffee. So the last thing that we're going to write is what? Coffee. All right, so write down here, coffee. Okay, so in our book, it told us some different things that we can make using pumpkins. One was bread. A second thing was soup. A third thing was pumpkin pie. And our last thing that we can make, our fourth thing, is coffee. Now, are these the only things that we can make using pumpkins? No, we can make many more things than that. And so you can come up with your own ideas and you can talk with an adult and you can tell them some things that you know that you could make using pumpkins that may not be on our list. For example, I have seen pumpkin ice cream, and it's like pumpkin pie ice cream. It is so good. I have also seen the pumpkin pie Pop Tarts. All right, so there's lots of different things that you can make. And at the donut shop, I saw something about a pumpkin pie donut. Okay, so you might could go to the donut shop and you might could see if they still have it. That was Sunday when I went to church. We stopped at the donut shop and I saw something on their window. They had the maple glazed donuts and then I saw something about pumpkin spice donuts maybe. Okay, so maybe you could drive by there and you could see if they still have it. Right, so there's lots of different things that we can make using pumpkins. So that's what you get to do today. You get to figure out all kinds of different things that you might even have at your house that you can use pumpkins to make. All right? So I hope you have enjoyed our week about pumpkins because I have. It's been lots of fun. All right? And I hope that you have learned something new. And I just hope that you've had a good time. All right, so next week we're going to come back and we're going to start fresh and we're going to learn about all new things. But I hope this weekend you just kind of think about what we've learned this week and you apply it to things that you do at home. All right, I hope you have a great time and I will see you back here later.